In Neath and Port Talbot, heritage is everywhere. It's in our landscapes, our stories and our communities. It's kept alive by people, volunteers, local groups and organisations who care deeply about these places.
So we're at Neath Abbey today, and we have put on a bus and been all around to lots of different pickup spots in Port Talbot and Neath. We are running a day where families can come collectively or people can come on their own. The Heritage Craft Day. They're doing some drawing with some charcoal and they're doing some modelling with some clay as well, learning about how to make balms out of natural products, and they've been picking some flowers to make stuff with. And they're going to have a campfire stew, so they're going to try new food, and they're going to meet new people as well because they're kind of swapping over and doing different things. It's just quite friendly, like everybody's kind of talking to each other. It's just a really nice atmosphere.
So today's really special for us because we both love history and doing craft activities, and it's a free day because we get married and we're like doing things together.
Yeah.
My favourite part about today was probably getting to explore the castle and learn new things about plants and just the history of this place.
My favourite part, I think, making some homemade balms. So we learned a little bit about all the different things to put in it and the kind of foraging. And we realised we've got some of the things that we need, some of the plantains at home. So that's really great. So I enjoyed making some balms and putting lavender in. Did you enjoy that, Osh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was fun, wasn't it? But we also really enjoyed doing some of the clay work, the kind of different tools around us. You enjoyed doing that. It's been a really wonderful day. It's felt really, really wholesome, and first time we've come across these events, so definitely come again. But yeah, it's really, really well run and everyone's bringing really good energy, and yeah, it's been really lovely, so thank you.